In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your files correctly for Spot UV. Our Spot UV cards are a premium card. They're printed on 16.5 point matte laminated stock and then are Spot UV coated. To send us a Spot UV job, you need to send us two files. One file will be in CMYK and the other file will be in black and white. Whatever's in CMYK will be the file that actually prints full color, and the black and white file, whatever is black, will be what is to be UV coated. So let's go ahead in this example and export a CMYK version of our business card. So we'll just call this office_CMYK. Now we do have Adobe PDF presets available on our website for each of the design programs. In this case, we're going to be selecting our Boss Logo InDesign Adobe PDF preset, and this will automatically basically add crop marks, add a bleed, and save the images at the right resolution. So let me click Export to export that. It takes a few moments to save, and after this we're going to go ahead and make our Spot UV version of our business card. Okay, so here's our CMYK version. For our Spot UV card, let's, I guess in this example, let's make our press to be black and white. Let's make that to be UV coated. So we'll do that by clicking Edit to the picture. Here's our press. We're going to select our press on a new layer. Like I said, we're going to fill this with only 100% black, as you can see here. This is 200% black. So we'll go Edit, Fill, Foreground Color. We can leave this in CMYK mode, it's not a problem. Now to save out of Photoshop, we're going to save using our Adobe PDF settings for Photoshop that are available on our website. So we'll just call this Press, save using Adobe Photoshop PDF as the format. And once again, like I said, you're going to save using our Boss Logo Photoshop Adobe PDF preset. Okay. Once that file's saved, we can go ahead and place that file in the exact same position in our InDesign file. Okay, that's now been done. Alright, let's click this link button, find our press that we saved on our desktop, and you'll see the position is perfect. It's really important when you do set up your Spot UV file to make sure your placement is perfect. If this is even off by a pixel or two, or a few sixteenths or a 32nd of an inch, you're going to see that display in the final print, and we have no way of fixing that on our end. Okay, so like I said, whatever's going to be in black and white will be, whatever's in black will be what will be UV coated. So for this example, let's make our press to be black and white. And let's add a simple tiling of the word Boss Logo. I find when you have large elements like our press, if that's a solid black, that'll look really nice. And if you have a simple tile, like a simple tiling pattern, of a word going across the business card, I find that looks quite nice. I mean, this of course is my own design preference. You guys are all excellent designers and you can do whatever suits your taste. So I'm going to go ahead and just step and repeat this word, Boss Logo, using the step and repeat feature in InDesign. I love this feature, it makes life so much easier. Okay, let me just tile this down. Offset that a little bit over there and carry this tiling pattern down. Okay, so there's our, I think this looks good. This is our Spot UV version of our business card. Now let's export this version. We'll call this version Office_Spot. Once again, you're going to select our Boss Logo InDesign PDF presets, click Export. Okay, so here's the file now. This is our Spot UV version. It's a good idea if you have Adobe Acrobat Professional to open up the Advanced Print Production Output Preview screen. Like I said, anything that is going to be Spot UV should be in 100% black. If you look at this here, whenever I'm going over anything that is black, it's 100%. If you were to have a screen value If you were to have like a 80% or a 90% black, that would not work very well. You need to have either it's 0% black or it's 100% black. Okay, well, this is our business card example. Let me, for some examples sake, let me show you some of our cards that our clients have sent in, just to see some of the other design options that our clients have used. Okay, I'm just going to keep on toggling this off and on. So here's a card here for some DJ, and I'm just going to turn this layer on. We should actually call this layer spot. Yeah, so as you can see here, they have the DJ to be UV coated, and they have a name here. As you can see, that name is going right on top of the sky here. It's going to be like a blind spot UV, which, like I said, works really nice. If you have really fine type, sometimes that doesn't work as well. Like this really fine entertainment, that is probably going to fill in because this is a flexo plate. So it's better to stay away from really fine type. Okay, let's go down to our next business card example here. Okay, as you can see, they've got a nice design, and it's actually all blind spot UV, so it's not going on top of any design. That'll actually turn out quite nice as well. And let's look at this business card example. They've got the eyelashes and a certain design element and the logo. That'll turn out very nice. And as you can see, they stayed away from some of the fine type. They've just put it on the name and the phone number. That'll be good. Okay, let's look at this one here. Yeah, this will look really nice. You have a nice solid element for the person here, the little skeleton. That'll look quite nice. Now, they have some fine type on the person's, his title, chiropractor. That probably is not going to turn out very well. Like I said, you want to stay away from really fine type, as that may not work as well. I mean, if it's big type, you know, at least I'd say size 10 point and above, you're fine putting those elements in spot UV, but this to me looks like it's an 8-point type. So that, I mean, it'll work, it won't work as well though. And this is our last one here. As you can see, we've got, once again, a little bit of fine type, but we've got a nice big dollar sign here in this area here. Okay, well, this is our example video, and if you have any questions, please send an email to prepress@5000cards.com. Thank you very much for watching our video.